So alright guys, I just installed Alpine speaker, 6x9s on the doors. Let me see if it's possible to see. No, of course it's like dark. It says 6.5s on the back doors. So 4 speakers, Alpines, and Alpine amplifier, 5-channel amplifier. If you're interested, I'm gonna put the links. I'm gonna do separate video about how to do the wiring, all kind of stuff, right? So I'll put a couple music right now from SoundCloud, and we will listen on the quality. This is the song. I'm gonna do bass all the way down because on the amplifier I boosted a little bit bass, a low volume output. If you want to with the bass sound, you see it's like a lot of bass already. That's why I'm using on the amplifier bass boost on this almost a minimum. And I'm gonna open up the doors and I'll do a little bit, you know, sound test. Here's I'm doing the sound comparison with the kickers. Sorry, my truck is filthy. It's like non-stop raining whole week. So here we go. We're gonna play this sound.
It's bigger than you are not me. The links that I will go to, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much. I said it out. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try.
If you hear that this is the highway, the Belt Parkway, you hear the echo from this side.
Choosing my confessions, trying to keep an eye on you, like a hurt, lost, and blind fool. Oh no, I said too much. I said it out. Consider this. Consider this. Picked up the century. Consider this. Well, walk me to my knees. Fail. What is always fantasies? You're playing the ground. Now I said too much. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing.
There you go. So it's a lot of mid bass, a lot. It's a 3-way, so you hear the nice controlled, you know, the mid bass with the tweeters. Tweeters, those are stock. You not hear that anymore. Before in one of the stock speakers, you can hear those tweeters, but now it's like on the speakers itself, tweeters very clear. That's why you don't hear the stock tweeters anymore. They are like not too the powerful. The other things, the bass is very detailed and deep and very smooth bass, not the punchy. Vocal, it's amazing. Just the vocal itself, it's like very bright. Let me try to play the different music. It's gonna be on the same track. I don't know how this microphone gonna pick up that sound quality, but I think you're gonna be, you know, amazed when you listen in the real life. So I play on the music. That's all the vocals was. Maybe some dubstep. Another nice music with the 5-finger. It's called Company. I love this sound. I ran all the way back. That's why they call me. That's loud here. So guys, only the 4 Alpine speakers, it's make that much change. It's like very, you know, the big sound, not the, you know, the screaming the speakers, like gives you very deep detailed sound. You're gonna hear a lot of different, you know, details. Let me take a look what I have. Yeah, that's one of my favorite. Sound is very detailed. didn't put the max. It's, I'm screaming to the microphone right now. If you hear that, the mid bass, it's amazing, on the Alpine. That guy's giving me thumbs up. Actually enjoying the music too. You think that guys is dancing on the corner? Wow. Yeah, that's the beautiful sound. That's it. I'm gonna turn off this. So that's what it is, guys. I'm gonna close all the doors. Yeah, definitely. If you're thinking to get, Alpine speakers with the good amount of power, you have to use, a lot of power on these speakers. It says 80 watt RMS. So if you have any kind of amplifier gives around 120 RMS, they will play very, very nice in the high volume. It's a lot of wind outside. You don't have the leaves, that's why you don't feel the wind, but it's a lot of wind. I don't know, my microphone is going to destroy everything, or it's going to be good sounding the clip. That's it for now.